Hello, my dear ones. I'm here to share some more happy mail. This one actually came onto my porch and it was not sealed, but it could just be from we've just been having so much rain, you guys, but I'm hoping no one got into this one. This one is from the sweet Vicki Yoshikawa. And I think this is actually the bottom of the box. So I am going to turn this upside down and just lift out what's in here so that I can open it on camera. So Vicki, thank you so much for thinking of me and of Tim. Look at this beautiful card, you guys. Vicki just makes the neatest things. She's got my name here, and this is a sweet little ginger and a snowflake on the front of this envelope made out of the prettiest paper. It says, "Add love." Isn't that cute? Vicki always adds the sweetest touches to everything she does. Look at this paper and how she made the envelope. It's sparkly on the inside and polka dots on the outside. And let's see if I can get the card out. It's sticking to something a little bit. There we go. Oh, look at this sweet snowman, and he's looking up. And this is a Stacy Yakula. I recognize that stamp. I love it. And look at how she has these embossed snowflakes here. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And I love how you made the snow down here at the bottom too. I don't know if you can see it on camera. There we go. So just so sweet. It says, "Merry Christmas, Jill and Tim. Love and best wishes for a very wonderful new year. Love, Vicki." Isn't that sweet, you guys? And she has this sweet little vellum tree with all these pretty glittery jewels on it, or sequins and glitter. Oh, that's a beautiful card, and I love how she also has this pretty gold thread or twine tied around it. See that? And then it has her name on the back, Vicki Yoshikawa, and I will link Vicki's channel down below. You know, look at how everything sparkles. Isn't that a neat card? Just beautiful presentation as always, Vicki. You always make my heart smile. And then in here, there's a giant gingerbread bag, and she has this tied with a beautiful ribbon. And it's a beautiful burgundy colored lace, which I've been really into this color burgundy lately. This is beautiful. This will be so fun to use on projects. I love that. Oh, beautiful lace. So let's see. And then this gingerbread bag is so cute. Oh my goodness, she has this whole thing filled up with goodies. So let me just go like this. We'll take some of this away so that we can get into what she has done here. Oh my goodness. So let's see here. All right. Oh, and there's another little bag. Oh, this is so cute the way you did this. So I think she has this tied on here. Let's see if I can undo this. I'm sorry for the crinkling, everybody. I know some of you don't like that, so turn your volume down for a moment. Let me get this off. Oh, look at this. Oh, she made me a Hope and Joy themed package. Oh, Vicki, honey, you're so sweet. Oh, you guys, you just have no idea how touched I am by all of you. You know, I don't even need you to send anything to me. I just love sharing heart with everybody. Look at how cute this is. She has these little pins and a little tiny, see that little tiny pine cone there, and the little star and snowflakes. And it says Twinkle and Sparkle, and that's one of the LOTV DigiShop tags. And she's got this sweet little ginger, which she has put frosting on that's three-dimensional. And this is that beautiful, the beautiful mug and heart marshmallow set from Gemini or Crafter's Companion that it was my most popular Christmas tag this year that I made. And so she did one that says Hope and Joy. And I love how I don't know if you guys can see it, but she has lace here. And then she has all this different glitter and stuff on here. It's so beautiful. It says, "To Jill, Merry Christmas from Vicki." And then on the back, she has this little tag and a ginger. And that tag is holding the button closure, which allows you to hang this on a tree like so. But it could be a package topper like she used it for, however I want to use it. But I'm going to put it on my Christmas tree, Vicki, and keep it forever. So thank you, sweetheart. That just touches my heart that you did that. You guys are all so sweet to me. Let me pull this out. of the bag here. And again, I am sorry for the crinkling for those of you that that don't like that, but you also, you know, can just turn the sound down. I do like to try to open things that people send on camera. This is the cutest little gingerbread wrapping paper, isn't it? Oh my gosh, where did you find that? It's just adorable. That is so cute. And there's a Lenox box, it says. Let's see if I can open this. We'll see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Oh, here. I'm going to put the box down here so I can show you guys. This is a little thing of candy canes, like old-fashioned candy canes. Those almost look like they might be root beer or something. But they're peppermint. Maybe these ones are chocolate. I'm not sure. And then look at this beautiful gingerbread mug. Oh my gosh, Vicki, that is adorable. Yeah, this is a Lenox coffee mug, and it's got gingers all the way around it. That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Timmy and I are going to have hot chocolate on Christmas Eve. You know, on Christmas morning, we always get up and have, I bake us something, and then we have hot chocolate. So one of us will use this mug, Vicki. And then look at what's in here. She's got some homemade marshmallows and then the peppermint sticks to go into the cocoa. So that is just precious. Oh my goodness, sweetie. Thank you so much. Oh, and then she's got other little goodies in here too, you guys. This one says, hot cocoa for those chilly nights. Oh, that's so cute. And in here, she's got all different packs of Ghirardelli and different types of hot cocoa, Swiss Miss. So I'll put that with the mug and we'll use these on Christmas morning. Thank you, honey. And then, oh, look at this beautiful joy tag. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Those are really neat letters. I love those. Kind of an old-fashioned font, which I just love that. Let me see if I can open this up. That's a beautiful tag, honey. Aw. Dear Jill, I made these metal ornaments in 2018 and yours was lost in the mail. I recently found a few more and wanted you to have one. My love to you. Aw, isn't that sweet, you guys? One of Vicki's packages got broken into on my porch. And another one, I guess I never received it. And that year she did a video, this was a couple years back, she did a video where she made these metal ornaments. And this one you can see she has it surrounded with, what do you call these? Like crystals. And then she's got little bells here. So this is so pretty. I'll have to put this up. This is going to go up on my tree, Vicki. And I'm going to put your name on it with a sticker or something so I remember that it's from you. But I think I'll remember. I'm getting to the age, you guys, where it's harder to remember everything. And I just don't want to forget. All you special people that have sent me things. Thank you, Vicki. Oh my goodness. Oh, and you sent me trims. Oh my goodness. It says, Jill, sharing some vintage from my stash and some new I thought you'd like. Always need variety with the mini cards and tags you make each year, Vicki. That's so true, Vicki, and these are beautiful. I love using velvet trims at Christmas time, you guys. And look at this green one that she included. It's got sparkles in it. Isn't that neat? I don't know where you found that one. That is really cool. I don't think I've ever seen a glittery one before. And I don't know, maybe you added the glitter, but I don't think so. I think it's part of it looks like it's part of the ribbon, yeah. Isn't that cool? So it's actually woven into the velvet, so it sparkles. Oh my goodness, Vicki, these are so pretty. Let me just pull these out so I can show them to you guys really quick. So there's a roll of the sparkle green and red, and these say Place and Time Holiday Ribbon. So I'm not sure if you guys know where that is, what store or something. I don't know. And then there's this beautiful red velvet trim. There's a white velvet that's glittery. Look at the sparkle on that. Oh my goodness. And then some red sparkle twine. And that's got like an iridescent red glitter in it. And then this one is like a thin, yarn with little things coming off of it. I can't talk, you guys. And then this one's a slightly thicker red twine. So, or even just a really micro trim. So, oh, these are beautiful. Thank you for sharing, Vicki. Those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. So lovely, my dear. And then there's still one more thing in here. Let me move this out of the way so it's easier for you guys to see. These have got ornaments. Oh, look at what she did, you guys. There's a J for Jill, and then there's a T for Tim. And they have little 2021 emblems on them. And mine's a star. It has a star. Whoops. Let me see if I can show you better. And it says wish. Oh, those are beautiful, Vicki. So pretty. Oh my gosh, Timmy, Vicki sent you an ornament. I'll show you in a minute. Oh my goodness. Tim's working on a project over on his computer while I'm filming this tonight. I'm going to see if I can get these off of here and show you better. Oh, I don't know if I can. Here, I'm just going to pull. There we go. So I'll set those out like that. Oh, they're so cute. Those are adorable. Oh my goodness. And then this is a little ornament. Oh, it's a little, oh, geez. Vicki, you're making me choke up. So inside this, and it's an ornament, I could leave it in there, literally, and hang this on the tree, which would be really cool. Oh my goodness, this is such a clever presentation. So this is one of the Dollar Tree ornaments. And inside, I'm going to show you guys what's in there, is this Faith, Hope, and Love stamp. And this is a stamp, copyright 2011 from Stampabilities. Oh my gosh, that is just adorable. So me. Oh, that just, it looks so cute in here. It really does look cute just sitting in here like she had it. So you can see she's got it inside the ornament, and she had it propped so you could read it perfectly. What a cute presentation that is. Oh my goodness. Vicki, you just touched my heart, sweetheart. I have no words. Oh my goodness. I just send my Christmas love out to all of you, and I'm just touched beyond words. And I hope that we can all have, I hope we can all have faith, hope, and love this Christmas. That's what it's all about, everybody. So, I love you, Vicki. Thank you for making my Christmas so special, sweetheart. I just sent you a card, but it is filled with all the love in the world, and sharing heart with you from the very beginning. Vicki has reached out to me from the very first time I was on YouTube. And she's just been the sweetest. So, Vicki, thank you. And Merry, Merry Christmas, everybody. All right, bye.